Hello again, guys. Today we're going to be replacing the glove box light on my '01 Golf TDI. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is open the glove box, clear everything out of here, and there's the glove box light right there. So you need to remove this cover. So take a small flathead screwdriver and just get behind here and it'll pop out like so. This light here, this fixture is missing the black plastic cover that goes on the back. This is what the new one looks like right here. Here's the part number right there for the new one, right up top. So now once you have the fixture out, you can see the connector on the end here, that black connector. It has two tabs on the left and right sides. So what you need to do is get that same little screwdriver and get underneath there and pop both sides off. There we go. Alright. Okay, so here's the old light. It's missing that black plastic cover, as I said before. So my bulb's still good, I'm just replacing the fixture. As you can see, that's what they look like. Alright, so we take our new fixture. This has a new bulb with it. And all we need to do is simply plug it back into place. It can only go in one way, which is nice, so you don't have to worry about it. Plug it in. As soon as you hear that click, you know you're in. Just make sure. Just make sure both sides are in correctly. It looks good. Insert it back into position. Like so. Once that's in, you'll need to turn your ignition on because this will not light unless the ignition is on. Let's turn the ignition on, and there we go. We have illumination. So that's it, guys. That completes this little project. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Take care.